You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city, as well as how to say more interesting names of cities and famous places around the US, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. A city in Massachusetts, although there is also one city that is named the same way in Colorado. Holyoke. Holyoke is how it is said. Holyoke. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.